Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today in this video, I'll talk about what you mean by pseudocode and how actually it differs from a normal code. So let's get started. So what do you mean by pseudocodes? You might have come across this question quite a lot of times when you're searching for algorithm, right? So what do you mean by pseudocode? Pseudocode is nothing but a methodology to represent your algorithm or the approach for a particular problem in a general way. In a more human readable way, right? So I'll show you some examples, thereby you will get some more clarity about this pseudocode. So pseudocode is nothing but a general way of representing your algorithm so that every programmer, whenever he looks at your pseudocode, he can understand what sort of logic that you have applied, right? So let us see some examples. So guys, here is the example of pseudocode. So first line is integer I. It denotes I is a type of an integer, and the next one is set I equal to 3. It meaning is we are assigning the value 3 to the I. After that we have some instruction called as do. So do execute the print I plus 3 and I equal to I minus 1 statements only when I is not equal to 0. If that condition fails, then it will end the while loop. So if you can recollect this is simply do while loop. So this is how the pseudocode looks like. So it's just a logic which is in a human readable context. So what we need to do is we just need to apply the language syntax in order to convert into an actual code. So you can convert this into Python, C, JavaScript or any language. So you just need to apply the code syntax, right? So guys, that pseudocode can be converted into actual code by using any language syntax. So I just use C language syntax in Python. So in C language, we just need to declare the header files, and after that, as it is given in the pseudocode, we just need to declare a variable which is of type integer. So as it is mentioned integer I, so I took int I, and after that I assigned I equal to 3 as it is given set I equal to 3. After that we just need to apply the do while loop as it is given in the pseudocode, right? And the same logic can be established using Python syntax as well, right? So not only Python, you can use Java, JavaScript, any language. You just need to apply the code syntax to the pseudocode, then it will be converted into actual code, right? So let's see one more example. The first line says we need to declare two variables of a and b of type integer, and after that we are assigning some values, and after that we have a equal to a mod a minus 3. That mod meaning is modulus operator, or we can say percentile. So we generally use that percentile operator to get the remainder, and at the last we are actually printing the sum of a plus b. After performing those modulus operations, we are printing a plus b. So let's see the actual code. So guys, the left side is a C language syntax and the right side is a Python one. So first line is we need to declare two variables which is of type integer as per the pseudocode, right? After that we need to set the values, to set the variables to some values, and after that we need to do some modular operations. So that's what I did, and at the end I just need to print the value of a plus b. So you can see the difference between the syntax and the pseudocode and the actual code. So you just need to apply the syntax of any language to convert the pseudocode into the actual code. So guys, I'm summarizing the topic. What do you mean by pseudocode? Pseudocode is a way of representing your algorithm or the approach for a particular problem in a more general way. It's more like a English rather than a computer language. So anyone can understand, any programmer can understand the logic. So it will be more handy for the programmer, right, to understand your logic. So that's all about this video, and thank you so much for watching till here, and this is your Kiran signing off. I'll see you in my next video.